Anthony with GoatGuns here, and we are going to do an unboxing and assembly of the STG44, also known as Chat Band. All right, so this is what the box will look like, and on the back you will have a parts view, and then let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so when you get your package, it's going to be stapled, and once you remove the staples, then you'll just be able to take the top off the tray, and here is what will be inside. You will also get an instruction manual with step-by-step instructions, along with a QR code to a video that'll help you assemble this model. You will also get a Sarge Scratchers, super collectible. You will get a card that says, "Thanks for your order. Please do not return to the store you purchased this from. Just reach out to support@goatguns.com and our awesome support team will take care of you. And if you want to be part of our SMS group, text GOAT to 38927. You'll get the sticker of the model. This one's called Chat Band. And you will get a Sarge sticker. All right, now let's start with the stock, and then you'll have the receiver. You'll have the magazine, display stand, toolkit, and rounds. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up the toolkit. All GoatGuns will include all tools needed to assemble. This one has 2 screws, a long screw, a short screw, and a spring. So there's your spring. You have a long screw and a short screw. So first what you're going to want to do is, on the receiver, there's going to be 2 holes in the back. You're going to want to put the spring in the bottom hole, just like that. And then put your receiver together, your upper and lower, and then you're going to want to put the stock just like this onto your receiver. Now there's a hole right there. That's where you're going to want to use the long screw. So you just feed the screw into the hole there. And then we're going to start screwing it in. Now always remember, with GoatGuns, do not screw your screws super tight because you can strip your screw. So just tighten it to where it stops, and then you'll be good. Now this second screw is actually going to go to the display stand, and on the display stand you're going to want to face the angle towards the front of the stand. Now there's 2 little prongs and a hole in the middle, and then you have the 3 prongs here. So you're going to want the 2 prongs to go in and line up just like that. All right, and now that we have the screw in, let's load up the magazine. And you're going to want to load them from the front, from front to back. So front to back. Sometimes your rounds might stick up in the back, and you might need your screwdriver to just kind of help that second round in. Same with the third round. There we go. Loaded the 3 brass dummy rounds that the model comes with. And then to display, you slide the grip onto the holder just like that. Just like that, with the GoatGuns logo. And then let's show the functionality. So You have a safety, and it is a working safety. You have the mag that you insert into the mag well. So take the bolt, you pull it back, and you will see the rounds in there. And as you feed, it will chamber around, and you can see that it's caught the round. So you pull it back, just like that. Dust cover flies open when you pull the bolt. And working safety. So if you pull the trigger with the safety on, you can't pull the trigger, but if you turn off the safety, you can pull the trigger. There you have it, the STG44 with the GoatGuns stand, available now.